everybody, and welcome back to Fire Life. It's your girl, the hostess with the mostest, and also with the hostess because I like snacks. Motorcycle. That is not my name. My name is Lily like the flower, aka Lils, and thank you for tuning in. It has been a while since I posted a video. I appreciate your patience, but if you're new, then you didn't have to wait. Welcome. And motorcycle's back. And if you have not done so already, please hit that subscribe button. That's the last time I'll say that for this video. Just kidding. In this video, I'm going to get into my heat press, how it's going, pros, cons, likes, dislikes, all of the above, and what my steps are moving forward in terms of the apparel brand, what I'm doing, what I want to do, and timeline, all of that. So let's get into it. Okay, as you see here, it is a blank tank top with lots of dust on it. I'm gonna get the lint roller, but I have my designs printed on the vinyl. I'm gonna use white as the outline, and then the black is the text inside. This is kind of the style I've been accustomed to in terms of a design. I'm not a personally I'm not a graphic designer by trade. I'm just kind of going with what I know. I'm using see, my street is very nosy and noisy, but I'm using Canva to design most of my work currently, as well as the Silhouette software that comes with the printer. So this is just like a rough draft. I'm playing with designs, I'm playing with sizing. Because I do have a 12 by 12 printer, that doesn't necessarily mean that I can print designs that are 12 by 12. The paper has to align with the printer. Let me show you. Basically, if it comes off of these rollers right here, even just the slightest, the paper is gonna start doing this whole like, hey, what's up? I'm not doing my job. I'm gonna waste all this precious vinyl you paid for because it didn't catch on these rollers. So it's very important that your paper is even, as well as your design fits within the paper as well, because that's how it's either not gonna fit or the paper is gonna not connect to the printer. And that's an issue I've been having for the last couple of weeks, and it's really frustrating because in my mind, I want to go, get it done. I have the stuff, it should work. Why isn't it working? When in actuality, I really need to just slow down and not rush the process, trust the process, learn the process, and then implement the process, because I get impatient, I get excited. It's more excitement versus impatient, lack of patience, because I just want to see the finished product. Because I see it on the computer, but I want to hold it, I want to feel it, I want to wear it. So that's been the biggest struggle so far, is just learning the settings, learning the paper, learning the rollers. The heat press is not too bad. I've only been printing on t-shirts, so the settings are pretty straightforward for the most part. I haven't really had to tweak anything. I haven't had to tweak the pressure or the actual heat temperature. So that's been cool. I've only designed completely one shirt, which I was very proud of. I'm not gonna lie, I was very proud of that shirt, but it did take me a very, very long time, and which is kind of feeding into what I want to do next with creating merch and whatnot, but more on that later. So keep watching. But basically, I designed a t-shirt for my niece's first birthday, and it turned out really well, but it did take me a very long time because I am very meticulous when it comes to details, measurements, alignment. In terms of like the way my artist brain works, I like symmetry, I like evenness. I don't really stray too far away from that in terms of alignment. I like symmetry, like I mentioned. So if anything's just off by a little bit, I think that's why I am attracted to the job that I do, is because it's all about details and making sure everything is just right. But anyway, in terms of graphic design, crafting, heat press, things of that nature, it's still a journey. It is still a journey. It's a slow process. I am getting better at it with each try. So that's a plus, is the more I do it, the better I am getting at it. Ooh, but when I waste vinyl, ooh, it crushes my soul, because it's not cheap. So when a whole sheet, 12 by 12, 10 by 12 gets wasted, it really just like, hurts my soul. It really hurts my soul, because I imagine I could have printed 5 designs on that piece of paper versus the one, and it's screwing up. But whatever, that's besides the point. Those are just my own gripes about this process. But you know, you live and you learn, and I'm grateful to have access to more supplies and more inventory in terms of vinyl and things of that nature. So it's not a big deal at this time. But if and when I do decide to if and when I do decide to make this a bigger project, I will have to get these settings down packed and not really play around too much with the waste. But I know that's going to take time. So you guys are on this journey with me. We're going through it. And I'm having fun. That's all that matters, right? I'm having fun. And we're going to keep going. We're going to keep designing. We're going to keep printing. We're going to keep trying. And we're going to get better together. Let's go. Okay, so the next process in this whole... I shouldn't have done that. My desk is glass. Damn it. Anyway, the next process, the next step in this whole process is to weed the vinyl. What that means is basically I'm going to peel all of the edges of the actual design that I'm using, because we will not be using those pieces, and I will only need the parts that were printed that I designed. So let's get into it. Here's a little time lapse for you. You know, shout out to all my ASMR folks. This may be fun. One more tip about the weeding process is my design takes up about 3/4 of the paper that I use, the size paper that I use. So I'm going to cut the edges around the design just so that it isn't as much weeding, and I could possibly use those scraps for another project. That I'm still trying to figure out how to do. I don't know how to reuse the scraps, but I've seen people do it online. Comment below if you know how to do that. I would love to chat and learn more about how this all goes. But basically, instead of using this whole piece to weed, instead of weeding this whole piece of paper, I don't know if you can see, but it's a circle design. So I'm just gonna cut a circle around the design so it's less weeding and less waste. You ready? Bang. Also, because it's a time lapse, I'm gonna be jamming on the one meeting. I'm gonna press play on my music and have some fun. What kind of music do you like to listen to when you're creating, when you're in the zone, when you're really just like thriving? Hit the comments, drop a comment. I'm currently listening to Earth, Wind & Fire simply because of the last verses that was on Sunday. And because of I'm listening to Earth, Wind & Fire because of the last verses that was on Sunday, and I'm just in that zone, that zone. And I love Earth, Wind & Fire, Isley Brothers. It's the mood that's happening right now while I'm crafting. But anyway, let's get into this time-lapse ski. Okay, so this is a part of the process I'm talking about in terms of learning curves and understanding settings and whatnot. I've done this type of print before and it's never done this, but if you notice, it's not aligning. Like, it's just not. Like you see right here, if I move it up, it's just not connecting. I mean, I'm still gonna print it, but I don't know. It's just not gonna look the way I thought it would look. See, like, that's okay. But that part is a bit off. Like, a lot. But it still looks cool. So that's something I'm gonna have to work on. I'm not gonna front like I'm not frustrated, but I know I'm still new to this, so I'm gonna keep going, take a break first and foremost, get some dinner. But yeah, I am definitely still learning this thing. So bear with me. Okay, all right guys, I took a breather and I feel better. This is all practice. Even Jordan, LeBron, Kobe, they all practice before games, after games, until they got it right. And even when they thought they got it right, they still kept going. But anyway, besides the point, I'm still gonna print. And I just need to keep going. So let's go. This is the Teflon paper. And we're gonna roll it in. A little scoot action. And let's see if this, oh shoot, did I just mess it up? No. Okay. A little scoot action. So it's still heating up. So I will check back in a second. So I needed 2 hands to secure the press, but it's going. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. FYI, it's not all the way heated up, so I might have to hit this another time, one more time, but let's check it out. Okay, so pull it out. Definitely smells like it printed, but it did not. So I'm gonna let this heat up a little bit longer and hit it one more time. Like do another maybe 20 seconds. I'll be back. All right, you guys, this is the best I could do. We're gonna make it work. It's all good, it's all practice. We talking practice? Yeah, we talking practice. So here we go. I'm still gonna rock it. I don't give a damn. Lower this just a little bit, because at least the front can look good. You know what I'm saying? At least the front can look good. This was a tough loss, you know? I'm just, you know, not a perfectionist, but a get it right the first timist, you know? I don't know what you call that, but we're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. What you think? And if you know how to fix this, let me know, because I don't want to print on more paper and then screw it up and waste it, you know? You know what I'm saying? That's annoying. But the offset's kind of cool, I'm not gonna lie. It's like a cute little shadow. There we go. All right, this is the final product. I'm moving forward. Stay tuned. All right, I'm letting it rock for a few more seconds. Here we go. Ah, jeez. That thing is not easy to pull up. You know what I'm saying? Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. I'm gonna let it cool down. Cool down. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Looks like it's still a little. Yeah. Not ready. Not ready, y'all. Not ready. It's not ready. Jam it on the one. Jam it on the one. All right. Let's see if we did it. Ooh, look at that peelage. Ooh. Even though it messed up, doesn't look too bad. I mean, I see all the errors. But this is what I get for saying that I like everything aligned. I like everything centered. I like everything perfect. Yeah. But I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. What should I add? Should I add something in the middle? Should I add like a cute little FIYAH? Tell me. But this is it. Did I salvage it? I don't know. I had an extra little logo there, so I popped it up on the middle. Did I save it? Would you guys buy this? I don't think I would put FIYAH Life in all of them. I'd probably put something else, or maybe your name. I don't know. I'm still deciding, but also, might have prematurely said I'm not messing with Teespring no more after today's adventure. After today's adventure, me and Teespring might be back together. Stay tuned for more merch, more releases, more apparel. I'm gonna keep practicing on this darn machine and take it from there, one step at a time. But best believe, this is also not the only thing I'm working on. I have a lot of things going on behind the scenes, and you guys will all know what's going on soon, or as I'm doing it. That depends on how I'm feeling. So anyway, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, drop a comment, say something, engage, help my videos thrive. It all depends on you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. My success depends on you. So hit that subscribe button. I appreciate your time. I appreciate you. And until the next video, life is a blessing, and I'm out. Peace.